gusto kong ipakita sa inyo itong 7-inch or 18 centimeter aluminum induction fry pan na gamit at binebenta ng Kitchen Pro. Ito po this is really good for professional and for everyday cooking dahil napakatibay nito at merong mga pusod, meron silang induction ready po ito, no? So this is a very good professional quality aluminum fry pan that is available and can be had in your kitchen, in your home kitchen. This Kitchen Pro aluminum fry pan is one of the most important cookwares you need in your kitchen, especially for sautéing, frying, steam frying, for crepes, omelets, and pan roasting. Ito po ay ginagamit at standard equipment sa mga hotel, no? Kaya tumatagal. Pero mahusay ito kasi fast heating siya dahil aluminum siya, induction pa. So it comes in different sizes. Meron po mas maliit pa nito at meron po mas malaki. This is determined and depending on what you may need. It has a removable aluminum silicone grip na pwedeng linisin. Ayan. Oh. Pwedeng ilagay uli. Tapos, slip resistance and is safe for oven use. Pwedeng isalpak sa oven. Truly a culinary standard. So, check out more Kitchen Pro items when you dine and visit us at our outlet shop in Cafe Isabel. And you can also buy Kitchen Pro items, gadgets and all that. Yung mga magagandang kutsilyo, mga spatula, mga mixing spoons. Okay? This is available at kitchenpro.collections. You may also go to Kitchen Pro Last Mall or Kitchen Pro Shopee Mall. So, ito po, mahusay po ng mga lutuan to. Ito, gamit ng mga restaurant na tinayo namin at saka sa restaurant ko at gamit po to ng aming school, ang Center for Asian Culinary Studies.